Hey guys, this is Praneeth from Team Bunkros, and today I'm going to present you about Homeostat. Homeostat is basically a faithfulness detector for all of your AI agents, which is built using Signos. So today we have lots and lots of metrics, but the problem is the given output of the agent, whether is it fabricated or not, of the metrics actually tells us today. So that is when we thought, okay, make truthfulness a golden signal. So how we do it? We actually grade every answer that the agent gives us using scores. We attach that scores to the trace using standard OpenTelemetry conventions and similar attributes. So this is the entire architecture of the project. We are going with Claim Pilot, and that is the agent. So Claim Pilot is basically an insurance claim agent which answers questions for the users. It is built using LangChain. It is a RAG which has multiple policies underneath. It goes through all of them and starts answering questions to the users. So Claim Pilot is basically auto-instrumented using OpenLate. So we are having a three-tier evaluation funnel, LLM as a judge, and this is the most standard procedure that everybody is going to use, and this is the most straightforward procedure. But the only concern about this is this has some cost concern. We have Signos. Signos is self-hosted in our VM, Azure VM, and we even have MCP that is self-hosted. Rain is a service, fast API server, checks via MCP. It investigates, fixes the issue, Signos endpoints. You know what? I quickly changed the prompt to prompt overconfident, which actually creates more hallucination for the AI agent. Let's actually go to the alert and check whether the alert was triggered or not. It usually takes 3 to 4 minutes to trigger an alert. You can actually wait and watch. Let me actually show you how the actual agent is evaluated. So if you see this, this is a claim process, and this is the entire waterfall model for the entire agentic workflow. You see this? Evaluation.explanation. The score that it gave is 0.12. So that is when it actually started hallucinating. You see this? So this is the alert that is currently firing. Within no time, I must be receiving a Slack message as well. I'll have to wait for some time and I'll be able to receive a Slack message as well. Yep, you see this? This is the faithfulness report that we got. Like we can basically approve or reject here. But I have actually created a webhook for Twilio in order to receive a phone call. So let me just wait for one more minute and see whether I'll be able to get a phone call in a minute or not. You see this? No Slack response in 1 minute, calling the phone call. And I got the phone call as well. Since this is a Twilio trial account that I'm using, from the Twilio trial account, we can't do anything much. So I'm going to approve heal here. This is the acknowledgement that it is going to send us via Slack with the help of the webhook. Since we approved the change to prompt version v1 grounded by reverting the prompt, it actually changed the grounded ratio recovered to 0.917 from 0.8. Here we go. So we even got the acknowledgement of the alert as well. But everything is tracked here in the GitHub repo. There's one more learning that I wanted to share with you guys is that if you move on to high tier models, say for example GPT 5.6, it's very hard for it to hallucinate. Say so that is when I faced this issue where I had to switch between prompt versions and stuff. So all of that, everything is here in this repository. And that's it. Signing off for the hackathon. And this is my submission. Thank you.